Passwords. Love them or hate them, they're a necessary evil. All right, I wanted to show you today how to change your password. Most students stick with the default password that they were given when they were handed their Chromebook, but the problem with that is it's not very secure because everybody had the same format password. And it really isn't very hard to guess or figure out your password to your account. And since it's one password for everything, you're logging into your Chromebook, your email, your Google Drive, everything is that one password. You really want it to be a good secure password. So let's take a look at how to change that for your Google accounts. So looking at the screen here, if you go over in the right-hand corner, you'll see your icon. You'll see this icon whether you're on a Google search page or your email or in your Google Drive. Anywhere you see this icon, which is your icon, if you click on that, you get the option to go to your account settings page. That's this blue button that's right here. We're going to click on that. And in the settings page, you get a whole bunch of tabs. Over here on the left, it says Home, Personal Info, Data Personalization. Security is the fourth one down, and that's the one we're going to go to today. That's where we can change the password. So if I click on that, that'll give us this page, and right here in the middle, it says Password. And if we click there, that will lead us to this page where we verify our current password. Type that in. And then it gives you a page where you can put in a new password. And just like all of these things, it makes you type it twice to make sure you've got the right password in there. It's got to match. Bit of a suggestion here on passwords. Make sure it's a good one. So what makes a good password? Use the combinations of letters, numbers, and other characters, percent signs, exclamation point, parentheses, things like that. Make sure it's not a word or words that you would find in the dictionary. Believe it or not, the hackers out there have digital dictionaries full of every words you can imagine, and they can run those through and try all those to see if they can get the password to work. So make sure it's not something that's in a dictionary, and make sure it's not something somebody would guess about you. For example, your birth date, or your favorite ice cream, or your pet's name, things like that are not really good to use for passwords. So Google here on the screen, it says use at least 12 characters. That'd make a pretty good password. And again, make sure it's not something that makes a word you might find in a dictionary or something like that. So type in a good password, confirm it, click that change password button, and it will change your password for all your Google stuff. Again, logging into the Chromebook, your email, Google Drive, all those things will instantly change. You don't have to wait for it to take time to do that or anything. Once you get it in there, write it down somewhere, copy it down somewhere. Maybe put it in your phone as a note on your phone or someplace, but put it down somewhere so that you don't forget it. It's pretty easy once you've just changed a password to forget it and not remember how to log back in because you haven't used it a bunch of times yet. So write that down somewhere so you don't have any problems. So make sure you subscribe, click that subscribe button. If you hit the bell icon below the video, you'll get notifications for upcoming videos. And if you have any questions or comments, hit those in the comments and we'll get back to you. Thank you.